Welcome back. Now news from sports. Amol Satoskar has struck bullseye after his fantastic performances in 2010 earned him a seat with India's famous auto manufacturing company's racing team, the Tata Racing. A moment of pride surely for the Goan rally driver. Amol was approached a few days ago to be a part of Team Tata and a one-year deal has been signed. The daredevil driver from Vasco will now receive a fully prepped up Tata Xenon from the company.
Amol Satoskar is overjoyed, and rightly so. He will taste rally team racing in the Maruti Suzuki Desert Storm event coming up in the near future.
So after my victory in Raid the Himalaya, they had called me to their corporate office and I had approached them with all my documents and all certificates, and then they were quite impressed with me, and then they had sponsored me a new 4x4 vehicle, a Xenon, which is Supta for rally. Okay. And now very soon I'll be driving Desert Storm, which is one of the biggest rally in India. Okay. So now this month, by end of this month, we'll be going for a recce with me and my navigator, and we'll be practicing in Jaipur.
So now is Tata providing you some kind of training? Have they brought any outside coach, or are they providing the expertise to you in terms of technique of off-roading?
Yeah, they are they are giving me full backup, like whatever I tell them. In fact, they told me that now when I'll be going for this recce in Jaipur, to do R&D sort of on this vehicle, how it performs in sand and off-road and all those things. I have little knowledge about this vehicle since I'd used this vehicle in Raid the Himalaya, but I want to see how it is performing on sand.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari from Panji.
Motorsport is in its infancy stage in India, says Secretary of Goa Karting Association Christopher Moraes. However, he hopes that more sponsors come forward and conduct national karting championships. He is happy to see motorsport develop in Goa with drivers like Avdumbar Hede sowing the seeds for circuit racing and teenagers like Tej Naik impressing behind the wheel. We caught up with the experienced circuit track owner from Nuve.
Christopher was happy with the coming of events like Amaron Karting Challenge in Goa.
Yeah, definitely. I'm very happy that these events are there because eventually motorsport, like I mentioned earlier, is still in its infancy. We need events like this so that we can reach out to a far wider audience than what we already have. Yes, it is definitely growing and it's getting better over the years and all, but there's still a lot of work to be done. This is not where we want it to be. It needs to get much higher than this. We do have a lot of promising talent even in a small place like Goa. I mean, Avdumbar Hede and company have proved way beyond doubt that they are competitive at the highest level of go-karting. And yes, we definitely need events like this because then the more people participate or are aware of this of an event of motorsport, it makes it better for the long-term growth of the sport itself.
Christopher, but in your point of view, why has motorsport been such a niche sport to latch on to in terms of us Indians, or if you talk about going?
I personally believe that, this is my opinion, that the whole motor car concept, the automobile in India is, that revolution is about 20 years old. You go back 20, 25 years, hardly any of us had even cars to begin with, so it will be a while before motorsport becomes part of our culture. Whereas you take the West or anywhere else in the world for that matter, all the places where motorsport is, like part and parcel of their lifestyle almost.
The Nuve karting track has been there for almost a decade and in this time has hosted many national rounds of karting including the 24-hour JK Tyre karting race. So what is the Secretary of Karting Association looking forward to?
Definitely more events. See, there's nothing much that you can do to improve the track because it already meets all the requirements as far as racing is concerned. And for that matter, I must make special mention of India's first and only 24-hour karting event, which was in 2008. So as far as the track is concerned, the infrastructure is all there in place. All we need now is for sponsors to come in with events like this. We need more events like this on the calendar.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari.
Nata Samrat Prabhakar Panchikar is no more, but Lakoba Lokande of To Me Navets will always be mesmerized, played by Panchikar. Demise of Prabhakar Panchikar is a great loss for Marathi stage. There will be certainly no Prabhakar Panchkar, no other Lokoba Lokande and no other Panth. We leave you with the classic act of one of the greatest actors of our times. Take care and goodbye.
कशी काय वाटली तुम्हाला ती मुलगी?
त्याच्यामध्ये आपण मागाहून बोलू. इथे या मंडळी समोर त्याच्यामध्ये बोलायचं म्हणजे मला जरा कशाच वाटतं.
हो कशाच वाटतं.
खरं सांगायचं म्हणजे या मुली पाहण्याचा आणि त्या मी पसंत करण्याचा हा सगळा प्रोग्रेस माझ्या स्वभावाच्या विरुद्ध आहे. आय फील ॲब्सोल्युटली रेडी. माफ करा, इंग्लंडला बरीच वर्ष राहिल्यानं आपले देशी म्हणजे मराठी शब्द आठवायला मला जरा 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 जरा
अडचण पडते.
दॅट्स व्हॉट आय वांटेड. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. अडचण पडते.
विद्वान सरकारी वकिलांनी आपल्याला जे सांगितलं आणि या सर्व साक्षीदाराने आपापल्या साक्षी पुराव्यात सांगितलं ते सर्व खरं असेल नाही आहेच असं मी म्हणतो. अनेक स्त्रियांना फसवून त्यांच्याशी लग्न लावणारा, त्यांचं सर्वस्व लुबाडणारा, त्यांचं वाटोळं करणारा, अनेकांच्या दुःखाला आणि मृत्यूला कारणीभूत असलेला असला एक महाभयंकर माणूस आपल्यामध्ये आहे याविषयी माझ्या मनात तेळमात्र शंका नाही. पण तो महाभयंकर माणूस या कोर्टासमोरील आरोपीच्या पिंजऱ्यात माझ्या जागी उभा आहे अशी त्या विद्वान सरकारी वकिलांची आणि त्यांनी पकडून आणलेल्या भाडोत्री साक्षीदारांची कल्पना झाली असेल तर मात्र मला त्यांच्या बावटपणाची आणि अडाणीपणाची कीव करावीशी वाटते. तो मी नव्हे. न्यायमूर्ती महाराज, आपल्या मागे टांगलेल्या तसबिरीमधल्या महात्मा गांधींच्या पवित्र नावाची शपथ घेऊन मी सांगतो की तो मी नव्हे.